In today's guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a game to Steam that was downloaded elsewhere, or what is more commonly known as adding a non-Steam game to your Steam library. This is an incredibly useful feature for anyone who buys games through other platforms like Epic Games, GOG, or itch.io, or even if you have standalone software and cracked files that you want to launch directly through the Steam interface. Adding these games to Steam isn't just about convenience, it allows you to utilize the Steam overlay, track your playtime in some cases, and most importantly, use the Steam controller or other gamepads through Steam's extensive input configuration settings. Before we dive into the steps, please take a moment to hit that like and subscribe button if you find this tutorial helpful, as it really supports the channel and helps us bring you more useful gaming tips. Alright, let's get started with the first step so you can organize your entire gaming library in one place. First, you need to open the Steam application on your computer and make sure you are logged into your account. Once Steam is open and you are on the main dashboard, look at the very top menu bar where you see options like Steam, View, Friends, Games, and Help. You want to click on the Games menu option. A drop-down list will appear with several choices. You need to look for the option that says, Add a non-Steam game to my library, and click on it. This action will open a new window that lists almost every executable file and program currently installed on your Windows or Mac system. Steam will take a few seconds to populate this list, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. Now, scroll through the list of programs provided in this window. Steam does a pretty good job of finding most of your installed games automatically. Find the game you downloaded from an outside source and click the checkbox next to its name. If you cannot find your game in this list, don't panic. There is a browse button at the bottom of the window that allows you to manually navigate your computer's folders. If you use the browse option, simply find the folder where your game is installed and select the main application file, which usually ends in .exe for Windows users. Once you have located and selected the game by checking the box or selecting the file, you are ready for the final step. Look for the button at the bottom of the window labeled Add Selected Programs and click it. As soon as you click that button, the window will close and you will see your brand new entry appear in your Steam library alongside your official Steam purchases. You can now click on the game title in your library and press play just like any other game. This process is essentially creating a shortcut within Steam that tells your computer to launch that specific external file while keeping the Steam environment active in the background. If you ever want to change the name or the icon of the game to make your library look cleaner, you can simply right-click the game in your list, go to Properties, and edit the shortcut details from there. It is a fantastic way to keep your gaming experience centralized without having to switch between multiple launchers every time you want to play something different. Remember that adding a game this way does not mean Steam will update the game for you or provide Steam Cloud saves, as those features are reserved for games purchased directly on the platform. However, the benefits of the overlay and controller support make this a must-do for any PC gamer. That covers everything you need to know about integrating your external downloads into your main Steam platform for a much smoother and more organized gaming session. If this video helped you get your library sorted out, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more tech and gaming tutorials. I hope this guide makes your gaming life a bit easier and more streamlined. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.